Today we're going to be doing 2016 Hyundai Elantra front bumper removal and installation. So first we're going to start off at the bottom and we'll work our way up top. So on this vehicle, we're going to start off right here. He's missing a couple of things, so I'll just go ahead and describe them to you. So first of all, you're going to have this Phillips type of push pin right here, and you just go ahead and screw it off. Take that off. There's going to be another one right here, but he's missing that one, and that should remove the fender liner. And on the bottom of the bumper, there's usually a engine cover, but again he's missing that one, and that one usually is held on by bolts on these anchor points. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move over to the right side, to the driver's side. On the driver's side, once you've already removed the fender liner, you can just push it out of the way, just like that. Then right here in the bottom, you're gonna reveal a 10mm screw. There you go. It's gonna be one here, and the other side will have one too. So on this one right here, the customer is completely missing the left side of the fender liner. He doesn't want to take care of it, so we're just gonna leave it as is. But again, you remove it the same way you remove the other side. There's gonna be a screw down here, and you just pull it back. And when you pull it back, you're gonna reveal a 10mm screw right here also. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and go to the top of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and open up the hood. You're going to push up on this lever right here. So now we're going to remove the engine cover. It's going to be just these push pins right here. So you're going to use a flathead screwdriver. Pry it up like that. So on this particular vehicle, we only removed 3, but there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them to remove. So once you got that removed, there's also these little, I believe, push pins on this side of it. So remove that also. It's gonna be right here, but the customer's missing it. So once that's removed, go ahead and pull the bumper off. So with this vehicle, it doesn't have a fog light, so we don't have to worry about any fog light wires or anything like that. So basically you start off from one side, pull off of it, the other side. The bumper comes right off.
So our goal is to take the fear out of any kind of bumper repair or auto repair with these videos. We hope we showed you that today. As you saw, it's just a few bolts and clips on this bumper. Super easy, anybody could do it. If this video was useful or you liked it, please give us a like, it helps us out. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification for our upcoming videos on the Elantra and other vehicles. And as always, visit us at ReveMoto.com for all your painted part needs. Appreciate it.